I hope you are doing well. This is the third lecture of advanced listening. Let us have a start. In this lecture, we will know about factors that affect listening and stages of teaching listening. The following points show the barriers that affect listening process. Number one, learners must have some background knowledge which helps them to comprehend. Number two, environmental factors such as noise, temperature, and uncomfortable seating while can confuse the learner and make understanding what the speaker said difficult. Number three, learners' attention toward the speech can affect on the listening process because listeners here may try to switch off consciously or unconsciously. Number four, the learner must give attention to every part of the speech and try to understand it. Unfortunately, some learners ignore understanding and difficult words of the speech because they think these parts or points may be unimportant. Number five, in some cases, a learner may not be interested to complete listening so that he or she tries to jump to the conclusion and close his or her mind to the rest of speech. This happens because of learner bias towards a group of people or some individual. Number six, the length of the text and amount of information which the text contains may affect listening because learner will not be able to get a lot of information in limited time. Number seven, the text may contain unfamiliar words which confuse listening comprehension. Number eight, nonverbal distractions can confuse the listener, such as when the speaker looks different from what the listener used to view as a normal or wearing unusual clothes or strange haircut. In each skill we dealt with to teach to our students, we have three stages to follow. The first is pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening. Pre-listening stage is the first stage that learners face in listening process before they listen to the speech, which prepared the learners and stimulate them to listen in order to enable the learners to comprehend the text. It is a preparatory stage of instruction which is designed for the purpose of activities which aim to encourage the learners to comprehend upcoming information, or it could be consisted of discourse frameworks which enable them to connect with listening text. Pre-listening aims to create motivation by asking learners to guess what information that they will hear and activate their background knowledge as well as encourage students think about what they will listen. While listening stage, in this stage, learners are engaged to the listening process. They listen in order to get specific information, to listen for details. The teacher encouraged the learners to work in groups or pairs in order to work together and check their answers. This will encourage them to discuss another points. It is important that the teacher should provide different types of activities which enable the learners to develop their listening skills. Listening stage. It is the last stage of listening comprehension, which is also called evaluation stage. In this stage, the learners check up their answers and they discuss together the difficulties faced during listening, such as unfamiliar words, and also respond to the message orally or sometimes in written form. This is the end of the lecture. Please don't hesitate. If you have any comment or question, leave it below. Have a good day.